Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be solving a program that displays sum of natural numbers. So let's start. So import java.util.scanner. So the second line is basically importing the scanner class, which is a part of the util sub package, which is in turn part of the Java main package. Public class natural. So this is basically class initialization. In my previous few programs, and which I've covered in the form of videos, if you want, you can watch those videos too. I haven't used the public keyword. If you want to use the public keyword, you can. But even if you don't want to, it's perfectly fine. The brackets can be placed below the ending of a statement, or they can be placed here. Either ways, okay, there's no problem. So once I've entered the brackets, so a new block of code starts, and then I initialize my main method, public static void main. And then we have brackets, and then there's the initialization of variables. Int x I is equal to 1. So this is the initialization of the variable. And then we have int sum is equal to 0. So these two lines, 7 and 8, are initialization. So the next line, we have system dot we have the SOP statement, system dot print line, enter number of items. So this is inside the double asterisk. So therefore, this whole statement will be printed. Okay, and then we have the variable x whose data type is int is equal to s dot next int. Now the variable that is over here is assigned a reference address of this object, and the system.in snippet of code is used because the program wants the user to enter a input from the keyboard stream. So this accepts the input stream from the keyboard. X is equal to s dot nextInt. So this full stop is communication link between the variable s and the nextInt method. The nextInt method is used to read data types of which the user has entered. So say for example, if 126, if the user has entered 126, so therefore this is an int data type. And to read this, we use the nextInt method. If it was, say for example, John, so this would have been a string data type. So instead of nextInt, it would have been next line and semicolon. Okay, let's erase. And then we have to use the while. While I is smaller than equal to x, so I is already initialized and the value is 1. Sum is equal to sum plus I. So let's start counting. So if I is smaller than equal to x, so I is 1. Sum plus I, so sum is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So now the sum's value is 1, I plus plus. Now the I will be 2. Now, if I add I, which is 2, to sum, which was previously 1, it will be 3. And we have noted the value of x. So say, for example, if the value of x is, say, 4, so the loop will be executed 3 times. 1, 2, and then in this case, the value of sum is 3, and then i's value will change to 4. Now I is 4, s is 3 in the previous case, so 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 7 is the value of sum. And if sum's value is 7, then so if I is 4, then 4 is smaller than equal to x. Now x in this case is 4. So the loop will execute one more time, and then it will come out with the value. System.out.println or SOP, sum of plus x plus. So these pluses are not mathematical functions. They are basically operators that join part 1, part 2, and part 3 together, and also part 4. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. I'll just show you this output of this program. So in this case, I'm using Sublime. So I have to use the command prompt, which is a built-in compiler of the Microsoft. But if you're using BlueJ, say for example, and such, so there are already built-in compilers, so you can use them. So Java C naturals, natural.java. And let's see if there are any errors. If there's no error, then it will show like this. So you have to enter Java natural without the .java at the end. enter number of items. So let's enter 3. Sum of 3 numbers is 6. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you this video will be uploaded on IsEqualTo Class of Shivam, so be sure to check this video, other computer videos, and other videos covering various subjects such as history, geography, maths, etc. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.